Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also fine. So it's your all speaking exam. I'm your examiner Shahriar. My ID code is 149308. So let's start our journey. At first, we'll just attempt our section 1 questions. It will be your day-to-day life questions. So what's your name, sir?
So my name is Khairul Islam Joy.
Okay, Joy, sir. Do you work or study?
Sir, I am continuing study still now.
Okay, so you are a student. So Joy, sir, does your name have a meaning?
Yes, sir. The first part, Khairul bears the adjective better, and the last part, Joy, means conquer something.
Okay, so what's your favorite color?
So my favorite color is black, as it expresses some gloominess, and I think it suits for everyone. That's why.
Okay, so talk about your hometown.
So my hometown is Pabna. It is situated in Rajshahi division. It is an old city among the whole district in Bangladesh, and there are lots of significant sectors in my district, like power plant, like mental hospital, and so on, sir.
Okay, so what's your favorite hobby?
So my favorite hobby is riding bike. So most of the time, especially when I stay home, I take my bike and make some travels with my friends.
Okay, sir, is the end of our section 1 questions. Let's start our cue card, which is our section 2. Cue card is about daily routine. You have to tell about how you start your day, which part of your day do you like the most, what do you do for recreation, and how do you finish your day. You have 1 minute for taking notes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir, your time's up.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, you can have it. You can have it.
Okay, sir.
So, yes, start.
So, as a student, I think I should start my day by studying. After praying to Allah, I do so. Before taking breakfast, I prefer some critical topics to study because I think the brain remains based in the morning. And sir, it is my best part of the day because sir, here I feel spontaneous at doing any work. Okay, sir. And at around 10:30 in the morning, I leave my residence for joining the class in English Fantasy, a very reputed organization in Bangladesh for teaching IELTS. My class finishes there at around 1 p.m. and then I leave English Fantasy for coming back to my residence again. And during the path, I take my lunch. And so after getting back, I do nothing but sleep for 1 hour approximately. And at around 30 p.m. I wake up when my alarm goes off. Then I take a bath and go to the study room for practicing my IELTS preparation. Then I continue my study for about 2 or 3 hours without taking any breaks. And before evening, I sometimes go out for having snacks or doing some necessary works. But it doesn't last so long. I finish it. I finish it within 30 minutes. Okay, so then I come back again in my reading room and continue my study again. And so it continues around 10 p.m. At around 10 p.m. I go out for taking my dinner, and after taking dinner, I with some of my friends make a practice session regarding listening, which is very beneficial for my IELTS preparation. Then I come back to the residence and take the preparation for bed.
Okay, sir, your time has finished. Okay, so how was your exam?
This is my first time, and I gather some experiences which will be very effective for my later life.
Okay, so overall, the exam was very good. He was very fluent about his speech, but I think he could improve a little bit on coherence because he was jumping from topic to topic a little bit more. It should be smooth for the examiner to like process things. Okay, and he was like adding sir in his talking, so I think it should be reduced. It's all about yourself, so you should not add your examiner in your speech. So yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.